It's your mother. Your grandmother, I mean. She's sick and she could die.
What? She's sick and she could die? Ooh, I got a favor, man.
You need to give her the medicine, big medicine, that I gave you just a little while ago.
What? I'll do it.
You need to travel a really long way over to that place. You remember how far that is, don't you?
I know. Okay. I will favor.
Okay, use the medicine I gave you to go over there and save Grandma.
Well, God be with you. Not many people have survived this journey.
I must save Grandma. Now! Or else she's gonna die. Let's go.
Sorry, Grandma.
Give it up, give it up.
I cannot do this. I'm trying.
Give it up, give it up.
I've been there.
Give it up. Give it up, give it up. Whoa, give it up. It's not me you're waiting for. It's not me you're waiting for. Alright, stop waiting.
Hey, Grammy!
Hi, honey. Give me a hug.
Grammy, you're so fat.
I ate a lot.
What about your nails?
I forgot to call them.
What about your face?
It's easier to eat you!
Whoops.
Oh, when we're riding it, you're back. How'd you do?
She died!
I walk a lonely